Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today topic is start OSI model. OSI stand for Open System Interconnection. So without delay, let's start. What is OSI model? The first defines how communication will take place between between device from source to destination. Then it is a open standard. You can say any vendor any vendor can use easily easily. Then it is developed by the developed by the ISO 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 stands for International Organization of Standardization. International International Organization Organization for Standardization. Standardization in 1984. It is a logical model and also reference model. It is a logical model and also reference model. Reference model. Then it is help in troubleshooting. Troubleshooting. Then it gives a standard for developing network device. Developing network device. Then it helps interoperability. Interoperability. It has 7 layers. It has it has 7 layers. First, application layer. Application layer. Then second, presentation layer. Presentation layer. Then third, session layer. Then fourth, transport layer. Then fifth, network layer, network layer, then sixth, data link layer, then seventh, physical layer. Physical layer. Note this layer maintain a smooth data flow in a network. In a network. Then upper upper three layer is software layer. Software layer and lower lower three layer is hardware layer. Then upper three layer is user like host, host, support layer, support layer, and lower three layer, lower three layer is network support layer. Network support layer. Support layer.